Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You missed the cricket match today, historical test match. Don't worry, sit back and relax. I'm going to give you all the updates from today's cricket match. So we'll start with the playing 11 for both the sides. India is playing with Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Cheteshwar Pujara, Ajinkya Rahane, the captain of India, and Mayank Agarwal, Rishabh Pant, the wicketkeeper, and Washington Sundar. He is playing his first test match. He is a debutant for India. And you have Shardul Thakur, Navdeep Saini, Mohammad Siraj, and T. Natarajan, another debutant for India. Australia is playing with David Warner, Marcus Harris, Labuschagne. You have Steve Smith, experienced batsman, Matthew White, Cameron Green, Tim Pine, the captain and wicketkeeper for Australia, and you have Pat Cummins, Mitchell Starc, Nathan Lyon, Josh Hazlewood. So these are the playing 11 for both the sides. Australia won the toss, has no hesitation at all for Tim Payne to elect the bat first because their home team definitely have a home conditions which are benefiting the home team. So he's decided to bat first. That looks like a good decision from Tim Pine. If we talk about the batting lineup of Australia, looks like a little bit of a slow start from Australia because Siraj was bowling pretty well. He picked up David Warner, just for one run. Dismissing batsmen like David Warner just for one run is something he can cherish forever. So it's a magnificent bowling from Siraj. After that, Australia doesn't look they were steady at anywhere. They were losing wickets. After Harris they dismissed Steve Smith, and somewhere they look like they were trying to build up a partnership along with Steve Smith and Labuschagne. India have given a couple of chances to Labuschagne. If any international player gets two chances, he definitely went on to score 100 runs. So that is exactly what he's done. He scored 108, which helped Australia to score 369 in the first innings. If you talk about Indian bowling lineup, all the three bowlers, T. Natarajan, Shardul Thakur, Washington Sundar, have picked up 3 wickets each. India's first innings, they scored 326 runs. It looked like a good start from Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma was hitting the ball very well, but he's got out for unnecessary shot. From then, Pujara was dismissed, Ajinkya Rahane was dismissed. The highlight thing that we have to talk about in this innings is between Washington Sundar and Shardul Thakur. They added 140 runs, which helped India to score 300 odd runs. If this partnership would have come, India definitely been packed up inside 200 runs. So in that Indian innings, superb bowling performance from Josh Hazlewood. He picked up 5 wickets. So replying Australia playing their second innings, it was kind of prestige series for them. They're playing at home side. They have to win this match. So maybe a lot of pressure on the everyone. They have to win this match somehow. So they were trying to give 100%. In the second innings of Australia, what away from the Hyderabadi young bowler Siraj. He picked up 5 wickets. He can cherish this moment forever. It was making very difficult for the Australian batsmen to play, going every ball straight going onto the body, and when they were trying to defend, taking the outside edge, every ball coming onto the body. So attacking bowling from Siraj, it was a fantastic performance from the youngster. So in that second innings of Australia, nothing to talk about more because they were not steady at anywhere. Nobody has gone to score 3 figures. It was just Steve Smith who could make 50 for Australia. So India picked up 10 wickets once again. Australia all out for 294. Now India has got a target of 300 odd runs. They have to, if they have to win this match, they have to score 300 plus runs, and they have an entire day 90 plus overs. Okay, so hopefully if there is no rain, definitely complete game should be there. So that's what everyone were praying maybe at that point of time. So India have got a good start, but initially losing Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. Shubman Gill was given kind of a confidence, kind of a start which India was required at that point of time. We all know what kind of player Shubman Gill is. He's been performing in IPL. He's doing pretty well in the domestic cricket. So with his all the confidence, he's got 90 odd runs for India, which is very, very crucial at that point of time. So after that, they lost Rohit Sharma and Ajinkya Rahane. Cheteshwar Pujara Cheteshwar Pujara made 50 runs, made 50 plus runs, which will help India. That may be a crucial partnership. Yeah, it is a very, very crucial partnership at the point of time between Rishabh Pant and Cheteshwar Pujara. Okay, after Shubman Gill departs, Rishabh Pant and Cheteshwar Pujara took the innings, took the responsibility and helped India. So Pujara got out for Pat Cummins for a leg before wicket, and then you have Rishabh Pant, fantastic. He's just answered all his questions around him with the innings today. He said, here is the answer for all your questions. He said, he's given the answer with his bat. So magnificent performance from Rishabh Pant, playing 90 odd runs in the scoring 90 odd runs in the crucial game, which is very, very important. Altogether, India have registered a win in this test match by 3 wickets. Congratulations to India once again. So we had a good cricket match today. So please watch my YouTube channel for all the latest cricket updates. Thank you guys.